In this video, we're taking you on a tour of the Intercontinental New York Times Square. This luxury hotel, perfectly situated in the heart of Manhattan, is just steps away from Times Square, Broadway theaters, world-class dining, and shopping. It features modern rooms boasting breathtaking city views, upscale amenities, a fully equipped fitness center, a business center, and an on-site restaurant. Plus, with a subway station just outside, exploring the rest of New York City couldn't be easier. As we stepped inside, we were immediately struck by the impressive lobby with its elegant lighting and a sophisticated blend of contemporary and natural elements. The sleek design and inviting ambiance set the perfect tone for our stay, making a memorable first impression. Now let's check out our room on the 16th floor. Let's take a look at room 1605 here at the Intercontinental Times Square in New York. This is a king premium room. So first, let's take a look at the bathroom. Has a single sink with some nice Byredo products. There's a full-size mirror right there. And a very nice rainfall shower. Look at that. It's a nice shower and some more Byredo products. Now let's check out the bedroom. Here's a quick look at the bedroom. But first, let's look at this closet. It's a small closet which has an ironing board, an extra pillow, and a blanket. And there's a safe down there. And the strange thing is there's only one pair of slippers. It's very weird. So here's a sitting area for one with a side table. Let's take a better view of the king-size bed. It's a large bed. And those two lamps beside it, they have power plugs on both sides so you can charge your devices. Nice working desk right here with some more plugs for your devices. Big screen TV, drinks and snacks for purchase. Here's a coffee and tea maker right here. And here's a mini bar. With some more drinks for purchase. And some more storage drawers here for your items. Now let's check out our view of Midtown. There's the H&M building up there. So we're right next to Times Square. That's 44th Street right there. And right in front of us is 8th Street. So conveniently located next to Times Square and Broadway, so you can watch all the shows and they're all within walking distance. So it's a very nice room here at the Intercontinental Times Square in New York. And here's a quick look at our view of the city right after sunset. We had dinner at the Stinger Cocktail Bar and Kitchen, the hotel's only dining option. It offers a modern upscale dining experience with a focus on seasonal farm-to-table cuisine and is open daily for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We were quickly seated on a Saturday evening and ordered braised short rib sliders and bucatini with shrimp. Both dishes were delicious and we recommend trying out the Stinger when staying here. Let's take a look at the fitness center here. So they have some Peloton bikes here, ellipticals, they have a bunch of treadmills, and there's some free weights over here. There's the dumbbells. Here's a cable machine. And some exercise machines here. That's for the legs, some chest exercises. That's for the abs. And another leg machine. So it's a nice gym here. The Intercontinental Times Square is a fantastic hotel, but the real standout feature of our stay was its unbeatable location. Of course, the highlight is being just minutes away from the bright lights of Times Square. I even timed my walk, and it took just 4 minutes to get there. With countless restaurants in the area, choosing where to eat can be quite overwhelming. But after a quick Yelp search, we settled on Carnegie Diner and Cafe for breakfast. I had the lobster Benedict, Ed and Bev went for a pastrami sandwich. Both were delicious. The main reason we booked this hotel was its close proximity to the Broadway theaters. We watched Sunset Boulevard starring Nicole Scherzinger at the St. James Theater, which was just a short 2-minute walk down the street. A subway station entrance is just steps from the hotel, making it incredibly convenient to explore the city. This easy access allowed us to reach the hotel seamlessly upon arrival at JFK Airport. We also took advantage of the subway to visit the Banksy Museum, which features replicas of his artwork from around the world. It's a must-visit for fans of his street art. Overall, we had a fantastic stay at the Intercontinental Times Square and highly recommend it for its prime location, luxurious accommodations, and friendly staff. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Bev and Ryan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.